Hello all of you, welcome to my channel Country Exposed. In this channel I will expose different sports of tourism of any country and try to expose some surprising facts and vice versa. Today I am going to explore some tourist destinations of province number 2 of Nepal. Short introduction about this province. It is a province in the southeastern region of Nepal that was formed after the adoption of the Constitution of Nepal, which covers an area of 9,661 km², and smallest province by area. It borders province number 1 to the east, Bagmati Pradesh to the north, India to the south, Chittor National Park and Parsa National Park acts as border between province number 3 and 2 in west. Janakpur is the capital city of this province. Okay, let's start some tourist destinations of this province. Number 1. Parsa National Park. It is a protected area which covers an area of 627.39 km² in the Parsa, Makwanpur and Bara districts and ranges in altitude from 1,427 feet to 3,120 feet in the Shivalik Hills. It was established as wildlife reserve in 1984. It is located in the inner Tarai lowlands of south central Nepal. The main attraction of this park are jungle safari and canoe ride amid this lush green forest will bring you closer to nature and wildlife. Likewise, the elephant camp at Amlekganj is another place worth visiting here. While the village walk, Tharu culture program are the cultural attraction of the Parsa National Park. Number 2. Chure Hill region. Chure range, also called Shivalik Hills, rises steeply from the Tarai plains along the whole of its northern border. It is extended as a contiguous landscape from east to west in 33 districts. The elevation range from 120 meter to nearly 2000 meter. It is located in Sarlai district, province number 2 of Nepal. The main attraction of Chure Hill region are river, different sorts of stones, hills, dense forest and many more. Number 3. Chinnamasta Bhagavati. It is a famous temple and also called a Shakti Pithas. King Sakra Sinadev came to Saptari district to live rest of his life. When he started cleaning the forest, he found the statue of the goddess Bhagavati and established the deity goddess of his name Sakreswari. King Sakra Sinadev built the temple of Chinnamasta. It is located in eastern Nepal, which is situated in Chinnamasta BDC, Saptari, 10 km from Rajviraj and also near to Indian border. The main attraction of this temple are different in design in Karnataka style, a little bit modification of pagoda style, neat and clean environment, pond in front of temple, tall palm trees, pinnacle on top of temple, silver head of goddess Bhagavati, Hanuman statue, picnic spot and many more. Number 4. Nunthar. Nunthar is a small settlement of great religious significance situated at the border of Rautad, Makwanpur and Sarlai in the lap of Chure forest. It plays host to religious pilgrims who come to pay their respect at the Shiva temple. It is located about 16 km northeast of Chandranigapur, Rautad. The main attraction of Nunthar are deep well of shore water in southern side, children park, picnic spots, fishing spots, boating in Bagmati river, Musar settlement in Chandranigapur, also famous as Dhurmusundali duo and many more. Number 5. Konkalini temple. It is a famous temple and Shakti Pithas. According to Hindu legend, during establishment of human village in Bhardwa, they found a stone statue of Durga while digging land there. They settled the statue in Konkalini temple and start worshipping. It is believed that devout wish come true when they pray goddess with great devotion. It is located in eastern Nepal in Bhardwa VDC Saptari, 19 km east of district headquarter Rajviraj and also near to Indian border. The main attraction of this temple are beautiful garden, small temple of Lord Ganesh to the north of the temple, Lake Kosi Tapu Wildlife Reserve, while to its east the largest river of Nepal, Saptakosi River is situated. The main attraction of this temple are beautiful garden, small temple of Lord Ganesh to the north, temple Lake Kosi Tapu Wildlife Reserve, while to the east the largest river of Nepal, Saptakosi River is situated. Number 6. Kosi Tapu Wildlife Reserve. It is a protected area in Tarai which covers an area of 175 km² of wetlands in the Sunsari, Saptari and Udaipur district. It was established in 1976 and designated as a Ramsar site in December 1987. It ranges in elevation from 246 feet to 266 feet. It hosts Nepal's last remaining herd of the wild water buffalo. It is located in Torai of eastern Nepal. The main attraction of Koshi Tapu Wildlife Reserve are major attraction of the safari tour destination to observe various endemic and exotic bird as well as rare wild buffaloes, wetland, grassland, Gangetic dolphin, boat ride, bicycle trips and many more. Number 7 and the final one, Mahagadimai Temple. It is a temple of Gadimai Devi, an aspect of Kali, the Hindu goddess of power. The world's biggest animal sacrifices is conducted at this temple. Animals are sacrificed as part of the Hindu festival with the hope that the sacrifice will lead to the fulfillment of wishes by the goddess. It is situated in Mahagadimai municipality in Bara district of south central Nepal. The main attraction of Gadimai temple are sports of animal sacrifices, Gadimai festival, pleasant environment and astonishing view of temple and many more. Okay friends, this much for today. I will upload another video very soon. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and also hit that bell icon.